And it is Friday night / super early Saturday morning. There was a lot of royalty music playing. I was at a bar. I work 12 hours in the second hardest department in our whole shop, like the second hardest area, because you're just repeatedly lifting 189 pounds. Um, it's the mix area, and all the ingredients together weigh 189 pounds. And to load them up, put them in the mixer, and then take them out of the like wheelbarrow thing that we have, uh, it's just lifting 189 pounds 3 times over and over and over for 12 hours. So, and normally I can get 12 batches out, got 15 out today. So your girl was busting. I wasn't by myself, but still, we were busting. And it's one of our coworker friends' last days. He put in his 2 weeks notice, smart man. And he was like, hey, let's go like hang out at the bar to celebrate. And so after work, I took a shower because I did not smell like I should be in public when I got off work. And then I had a couple drinks. I had them back to back though, and drank them pretty quickly because it's not even 1:30, and I got home at 11:45 ish. I took a quick 5-minute shower, like just washed up, got some quick, easy makeup on, and went out and had a good time. But yeah, I had a vodka tonic to start, and then a sex on the beach. And apparently the music that I chose, the whole 2 songs that I played on Touch Tunes, were very appreciated by my group. And then we got to leave because I was like, I can't stay out very late. I'm not looking to get plastered or anything because I have a 10 a.m. nail appointment. And as we were leaving with another friend whose car has been kind of shady. And he was like, hey, I'm going to go see if I can start my car, because if I can, I'm going to leave now because it hasn't been good at starting back up. We started driving away. We drove away for 30 seconds and had to turn around. My boyfriend was my DD. And because he doesn't drink in public, and we were like, make like the hokey pokey and turn ourselves around because our friend was like, yeah, I went to go try to move and my car went bleh. So we had to go back and pick him up. But I'm back home now, and it's time to get ready for a Saturday of adventuring. It's going to be chill and relaxing in a different kind of way. I got a lot of stuff to get done. But you will be there with me, and yeah, and bye. So, hi, you may have noticed that I didn't have a video up this weekend. It's because I just didn't have time to edit. I also don't have a chair. So we're solving this because I keep on using every excuse. I don't know, my brain. But anyway, chair. It's currently over there. Everything over there is a mess because I've just been kind of piling my clothes because the chair is occupied in my hamper over here. So we gotta fix this. And we got this. We are strong, capable people. You're a strong, capable person too, but let's be honest, you're doing a little less physical labor in this particular endeavor than I am. All right, that's just a fact of the matter. Step 1. Gather all the stuff. Instructions.
In manually. Ready to go. First, though, the old design. To get my designs behind the glass, I asked Jordan if he could help, and he said for quite some time I did get it. You're wrong. This is the Napolitan color. Paint on some shadow berries. Since blue sauce is made, of course, from an alien. Okay, she is such a sweet baby, but she's also an alien. It's gotta be massage. This is what deep tissue looks like right here. Now, donut's kind of one and the same here. I'm coating him with a nice layer of sweat. Why does that matter? I don't know. I'm just making a statement. Maybe because there's this drizzle of really complicated. I did a little blend between colors. Oh, this was so long. I realized that the whole time I thought I was sculpting a donut monster. Okay, thrift store. It's kind of hard to see, but there are a fair amount of cracks all over this, and the paint job is also just a little bit sloppy. I was changing it back to green, but then it was looking too green. So I opted to do half and half. Kind of like. Now, as I'm painting this donut monster, I know there were fewer of them. There's a lot. Okay, it's looking a little pimply. Oh, and we've moved down to the baby. Alright, so I have here to sing that little three-dimensionality. Peel this off there now. I'm going with a nice bubblegum pink for the frame. I thought I could be lazy with paint over all the roughness of the wood and it would just cover it up magically, but turns out it actually, they were pushing. I can't really brush where this pink is. Whatever did you do to yourself? Back then, because he doesn't like it, so hopefully I can blow them all out today and brush through. The cone gives them a little bit more protection against the wind in their face. Today, turn the fan on first, just to see how he reacts.
Good. All right. Share. Can I move you back a little bit? Can you see better? We'll scooch all the way back. Woo! Yeah. A little bit. Okay. Fantastic. Task complete. Okay, bank missions have been accomplished. Now we're off to go get our nails done. And I had said the best bank interaction. The teller asked if I had any plans. And I was like, yeah, I got some tabletop gaming this weekend. And she went, oh, me too. My group plays Pathfinder. I was like, oh, me too. And so then we started talking about our characters. Anyway, off we go. So I'm at the nail salon and they are very strict about they open at 10. Not 9:58, 10, which I respect. I'm totally down with. I'm out here. What's wrong with us? Okay. I'm out here trying to find a birthday bag, but they don't have any orange. The kids' favorite color is orange, and so it's like, why don't they ever have orange? You have every other color under the sun, multiple colors, but you don't have orange? I recently bought a Venus flytrap and I got some ants to feed it, but of course these ants are not moving around, so what you have to do is you have to take a little something and you kind of activate it. You have to kind of make it believe that it's living, and there you go. You have fed your Venus flytrap. We're just doing a little walking downtown on my way to my massage appointment. All right. So I got some stash I got the wild raspberry, pure green. I got some more flower cheese. I got it in, I know it's hard to read that. It's not wanting to come into focus, but it's mango. Focus. We focus back here. Mango and honey peach. And I also got a vanilla chai. A couple honey sticks. I got one in, I know that this looks deceiving, but this is the wildflower. This is the blackberry. And then I got some more incense. And now we're at the birthday party where there's just children running amok.
What are you doing?
It's quite cute.
Looks like you're all...
I have returned from gaming and from dinner. My battery on my phone's actually really low. And I didn't bring my charger with me. I just got home a little bit ago. Another thing of tea. Finished this. I ran out of two-sided tape, so I had to go buy a new one. And I put numbers on the back of where I wanted them, where I had things organized of where to go. Let's go. And we're done.